to get the sort of bulk dig done, then I can concentrate on getting the final levels when I got some edges in. I know I need about 300 out, and I'm not far off where I need to be. I know some people like to dig things just once, but I'm only myself, so the quicker I can get the digging done and this bund over here dug, because that was the priority, was to build that bund so the landscapes can plant it. Better off, really. It's a nice day, the ground's a bit wet, so a little bit sticky. It's not too bad. Which bit of the digger are you going to put it on? Well, I can do it. Which bit are you just going to... Oh, I don't know yet. I'll probably just leave it around the bucket. Never hit it or not? No. Indeed. Well, that didn't go very well. So we'll try and avoid the car park because it's a complete bog. And we'll stick to the grass, which I was trying to keep off so I didn't damage it. But the grass is better than whatever the hell that is over there. Luckily there's a good 300mm of stone going down and all this, so it shouldn't really be a problem long term, but I don't think you get a CVR test out of what's there at the moment. That was straight down. I've now got a load of dirt in the middle of my car park, which can stay there for now. Like, oh, you got an Engcon, you know, bit of a joke, gimmick. I'll tell you what, this thing is really good. Not necessarily on these like bog digs, it's the little bits that add up. And I can always take it off with the top pitch and just go back to the standard bucket. You know, you want to get around an edge like this, you can just get in that corner. Just pull that edge all from one position. You don't have to keep moving about. And I haven't even learned how to fully use the thing yet. It's quite tricky to like get your bucket angles right. I think you set it up for the dig, you know, when you start a pull. So the way it works, you know, you're twisting and it goes in the ground one way, it comes out in a totally different position. Probably take a couple of months really to get the hang of it. I've done it, what, 6 weeks now, max? I was away for one of them. Yeah, great tool. I'd say it saves me having a labourer on a lot of jobs. I think when you pay a labourer, it doesn't take long to pay for itself. Even with all the control systems and extra bits and bobs. Right, let's go for a dump drive. Dumper. It's the only problem with having no labour. You're on your own, you've got to do everything, but nice sunny day, could be worse. To be honest, you don't really lose a lot of time. Digger just ends up sat on his phone waiting for the dumper driver anyway, so save the money, do it yourself. Wonder why I'm dumping it in random piles as well about the place, but there is actually a drawer. It does make sense. Got to build these little buns everywhere, and so when the car park's sort of complete, you can't drive a car. Off the car park onto the grass. That's the plan anyway. Roughly to the edge of that gate. It's our kind of temporary access at the moment. We've got a lot of stone to get in here. So, a load of walkways and other things to build. So, don't want to have all the delivery lorries driving over my new car park. It's got like a grass grid system in it. It won't do it any good having lorries on it. The other bit of ground, I mean, Jesus, this is wet enough. God knows what it's like down the bottom of that field, sort of over there. That's where the 400 odd metres of path's got to go, gravel path. It's all down near the river.